What's up, guys? So today's episode is of shenanigans, I guess. What I'm going to be doing is I finally got some vinyl wrap in for Ella. I've been waiting like a month for this tube. Man, it was just a complete show. Basically what happened was there we go. Ordered satin black vinyl. The company said they were getting a bunch of people saying that they were getting like an off gray color, so they just returned all of their orders of black back. And then the person that I ordered it through just kept getting in touch with them because I kept wondering where it was at. Then they ended up telling him that they were going to send it out on the set day. Supposed to come to me, but it ended up going to him. So it went from California to almost here, back to California. They got the right stuff. Then it went to Florida and then up to PA and finally got here. So it was like a whole month long just ordeal, like 3 weeks, something like that, whole ordeal. But I got enough to do my hood, roof, and trunk. So that's going to be the goal for today. Maybe someone into tomorrow, but I wanted to get the hood, roof, and the trunk wrapped in the satin black that I have, and I think it will go good with the purple. So what we're gonna do is peel the roof first. I'm going to use that as a tester. Peel the roof first and see how laying this vinyl goes, and then I'll do the hood and then the trunk. So this will be my first time actually wrapping body panels on a car. I've done a couple interior pieces here and there, but I figured the hood, roof, and trunk should be relatively easy since they're very flat, minus just the curve in the trunk. But so we'll see how that goes, and I think it will look good, but we'll find out. Alright, so the roof is pretty much done. It does need a good cleansing. Like it's bad. I probably should like clay bar it before I even try to put this vinyl down. There was something, it seems like a tree sap or something that's on here as well. So that's always fun. But this I don't know, Mitsubishi paint's never really been that good. At least for me anyway. I've always had bad luck with it. But there it is. That's the Autoflex that I had on it. See, used a black base, and I don't know if you can see the pearl in it or not. Usually you can only really see it in direct sunlight or a brighter light source, since my lighting here is horrible. But yeah, this was Autoflex with a Alpha Pigments diamond purple, and with their candy purple as well. All that was is just a black base and a gallon of clear with the pearl in it, and then a gallon of clear with the candy in it to give it more of a real candy look. And then obviously the Autoflex gloss on top. But that's that, and I'm gonna clean this roof up a little bit better, and waiting on Beans to get here so we can put this wrap on and see how it goes. What's up, guys? So it is the next day. Beans did end up coming over, and then, well, as you can see in the video from last night, we kind of gave up halfway through, or like 3/4 of the way through of wrapping the hood. And then he went home because he had work today, and then I just finished it up this morning or this afternoon, and I think it turned out pretty good. There's a couple like very small bubbles here and there, but just take some more heat to them and they'll go away. It ended up turning out pretty good. We kind of like barely had an idea what we were doing. We watched a YouTube video, so I guess we were pretty much professionals at it. But this is what it is. It's supposed to be satin black. It's more like a semi-gloss. It's pretty high. It's a pretty high satin. But overall, it looks really good. Something happened with my order to where I only got enough for the roof. I was supposed to get 15 feet, and I did not get 15 feet. So hopefully I can get the rest of that, and then I'll be able to do the hood and the trunk. And I think it'll look good having all that done with the satin black. And thank you, PA, for the pollen today. I did just wash this about an hour ago, and it's just covered in pollen already. But she turned out pretty good, and maybe I'll do my headliner next. I don't know yet. Carlisle is coming up soon, so I don't know if I'm going to get it prepped for that, the headliner, or not. But, well, that's it for this video, guys, so see you in the next one.